We start by creating an integer array called numbers with a size of 5. An array is like a row of boxes where we can store multiple pieces of data under one name. Instead of writing sin 5 times, we use a for loop. It runs from 0 to 4. In each step, the program takes a number from the user and stores it in the specific box or index of the array. Finally, we use another for loop to travel through the array again. This time, we use cout to print each value stored in the array into the screen so the user can see what they entered. Let's run it and see.